Hello everyone, welcome back. Here we are with part 73 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Part 73, we're talking once again about that God force, that divine energy within you that empowers you. Now, I think the reason he really dives into, once again, having divine energy, God energy within us is partially because of his model of how the universe works, of us all being this higher being that projects itself and that we all kind of live through, and a kind of dualist philosophical take on things. But I think that you can interpret this differently if you don't want to accept that kind of stuff that is not backed by your religion or science or that kind of stuff. Then instead, accept an idea that basically because we are alive, we have power, we have a subconscious mind, we have strength, okay? And that we have a lot of strength from within. We really need to believe in ourselves because a lot of people are so filled with doubt all the time. They're always just doubting themselves and they get nowhere. They're just feeling bad all the time because they have so much fear. And when you're taught from within, when you have that strength from within that gives you power, you no longer feel disempowered. Be it belief in a God within you, be it belief from a spirit, from the subconscious mind's strength of being so much more powerful than the conscious mind. Regardless what you draw power from, if you can draw power from something to say that there is something outside the conscious mind that is giving us strength, that is aiding us because the subconscious mind is doing just that, then you don't need to have doubt, fear, indecision, all that kind of negative emotion, perfectionism, guilt. We can get rid of all those things if we can accept that. That's basically it for part 73. I will see you guys next time with part 74, so stay tuned.